Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of 6th chapter, integration. So this is a chapter from second inter maths, second year maths B. So it is 6C. We are going to find the solutions of this in this video. Section 1 we are going to find the solutions of in this video. So please do guys share and subscribe to my channel, so I bring you more and more important videos for you. And now start with the first section here. Now before starting to the exercise, we have to remember some important questions, or we have to do some important questions here. So first 212 page number, you go there. So 212 page number, your maths text 2B. So there you will find the 6.2.24. so this theorem, so integration of inverse trigonometric functions, that is very very important. From that you have to there six important calculations are there. So please five important calculations, 6 are there. So please practice those important calculations. After that you come back to the 6.2.25. so it is also very very important. Total solved problems are there, solved problems up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 solved problems, and after that evaluation something is given, something evaluation. So that the evaluation process also 1 2 3 evaluation problems are there. So here 8 and 3 11, total 11 problems you have to practice. It is very very important for your board exam. Okay, now here one formula is there. That's a formula I want to tell you that formula. So the formula is integral u v dx is equal to, this is a formula. Okay, integral u v dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral of d by dx of u into what, integral v dx into dx. So this is a formula where we have to use in this exercise. Okay, which exercise? 6C exercise. In this first section maximum all questions on this formula only. And again one formula is there, that is also very very important. I want to tell you first only that formula is, I will tell you in this one. So it will become, so one formula, that is here if in case of e power of x into so what we can say, f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, we can write it as e power of x into, so e power of x into f of x, plus c, we can write this one. So this is a very very important formula you have to practice. Okay, you practice this is 5 times and this is also 5 times, you will get easily. Okay na? So please practice before you starting the questions here. Now we will start with the first question here. Now here first section here, evaluate the following integrals. He asking us to evaluate the integrals. Now first question is given as integral x into secant square x dx is given here. So I told you now that formula we have to use to find this one, which one, this formula uv dx, integral uv dx, like this formula we have to use. So what is the formula? uv dx is equal to, what we can write here, tell me what we can write, uv dx minus integral, so this d by dx of u into v dx into dx. So this we have to use the formula here. So I will submit these values in this one. Okay, so it will become x into secant square x na, so x dx na, in this I will submit the values. This is x as a u and this is v, I will take that. So it will become x into, so v dash is equal to how much, we can take it as v dash is equal to integral secant square x dx, minus integral du by dx, no, du by u is equal to how much, dx of dx will come here into v is equal to secant square x dx, no, so here dx into dx will come here. So for this one, now here x into secant square x is equal to, we can write it as tan x, integral secant square x is equal to tan x will come here, minus here integral, so it will become d by dx of x is equal to 1 will come here, 1 into secant square x is also, we can write it as tan x here, tan x, this total have dx here. So x into tan x minus here tan x dx is equal to how much, we can take it as tan x dx is equal to log x tan x, we can take log x secant x actually, log x and secant x, answer will come here. This is a answer of this given first question here. Now moving to the next question. Now my dear students, this is like a question is given that e power of x into tan inverse of x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx na. So this is in the formula, like I told you in the second formula already, this one, e power of x into something f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to this. We can write it as already I told you. So we'll do some here, we'll do that formula here. So e power of x into integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x here dx is equal to e power of x into f of x. We can write it as already we discussed this formula here before. Now here tan inverse we will think that as f of x is equal to tan inverse x, and f dash of x is equal to, if we take the 1 by 1 plus x square, will take to, it will become this type of formula will come here. So okay, this type of form will come. So it will become integral, the question is integral, so integral e power of x into tan inverse of x plus 1 by 1 plus x square, so into dx is equal to, so what we can write it as e power of x into f of x is equal to tan inverse of x. We can write tan inverse of x plus c. So this is the answer for this given question here. Now moving to the third one here. Now third question here, students, here it is very very important, please concentration on this one. It is to become integral log x divided by x square dx is given na? So first formula will write here somewhere like here. So integral u v dx is equal to, so u integral v dx I told you minus integral d by dx of u I told you into integral v dx, okay, into dx is a formula here. In this we have to submit this one. So I will write this as a integral log x into 1 by x square dx I will write. Okay, this is u and this is v, will think that. Okay, now here we'll do like that. So it will become, so here u is equal to how much, log x, no? So log x, so integral 1 by x square dx minus integral d by dx of u is equal to how much, log x, this is log x, and here integral v dx, v is equal to 1 by x square dx, okay, total dx will come here, dx. Now here it will become log x into 1 by x square integral dx is equal to how much will come here, minus x, minus 1 by x will come here if we do this one too. So d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x here come with, and into here it will become minus 1 by x will come into dx. So it will become, this minus comes to this side, it will become log x 1 by x minus, so minus into minus plus will come, this minus and this minus plus, so it will become 1 by x square will come here, 1 by again x square will come here, integral 1 by x square dx. So this value will become minus log x into 1 by x. So it is integral 1 by x square dx is equal to minus 1 by x actually. So this will become minus 1 by x plus c, we can write it as. Okay na? So this is the answer. Now we move to the fourth question. Now fourth question here, x in integral log x whole square dx here. So we have to find the solution. What is the formula here? Integral u v dx is equal to integral, so u v dx, integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u, okay, into, so what will come, integral v dx into dx will come here. So from this u v here given, but in this u there but v there, v not there na. So what we have to take here means, here we have to take 1. Okay, so 1 we have to take, we have to do that solution here. So v is equal to 1 I will take. So u is equal to log x whole square we will write into 1 into dx minus integral d by dx of u is equal to how much here, u is equal to log x whole square na, so that we will write here into 1 into dx into dx here. So this will become log x whole square will come here. So integral 1 dx is equal to x will come here minus integral of 1 by this is d by dx of log x whole square na 2 into log x will come into log x derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x will come here into this will become x will come here. Integral 1 into dx is equal to x will come here. It is equal to dx into dx. So x will get cancelled here. This 2 will comes to a constant term now. It will come outside log of log x whole square into x minus integral of 2. This 2 will come outside 2 into log x dx will come here. Log x dx. So log x dx is equal to what we can write it as here. What we can write it as? Log x dx is equal to. So here again log x whole square into x na minus 2 into. So we'll think that this has 1 here. Whenever if you have log in these questions integral law, so here you have to take 1 into something like this. Okay, it will become again. So u v dash like log x. Okay, log x into integral v dx means 1 into dx minus integral. Okay, d by dx of u is equal to how much? Log x na. So log x here will come into integral v dx. Okay, integral v dx into dx will come here. So what is the value will come here? Log x whole square into x minus 2 into. So this log x will remain like that only into. So it will become x will come here minus d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by x into v dx is equal to x will come into dx he will be there here. So now here. So here it will become x axis will get cancelled here. So it will become remain 1 here. So log x into log x whole square minus 2 into 2x into log x. This will multiply here log x. This minus into minus plus. So here 1 will remain. Integral 1 dx. So integral 1 dx is equal to x. So 2 into x. 2x will come here. Plus 2x plus c. So this is the answer of given question here. Fourth one. So this is very important. Please do carefully and concentrate only. Whenever sometimes log x will come na, so these areas, so you have to take multiply with the 1 and you have to find the values. Okay, now moving to the next question. Here now fifth question is given here. Solution: integral e power of x into secant x plus secant x tan x is given na, into dx. So this is given. So d by dx of secant x is equal to how much? What? Integral d by dx of secant x tan x, no? So this we have to use here this formula. So it will become integral e power of x into secant x plus secant x tan x into dx is equal to e power of x into secant x is the answer here plus c. So how means e power of x into integral f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to, so e power of x into f of x, we know already this formula. So that's formula I used here for this step. Okay, so please concentration on this one. So I used this step here. Okay, now this is the answer of given question. Which one? This is e power of secant e power of x plus e power of x into secant x plus c. So this is answer here. Now moving to the sixth one here. Hello dear students, it is very important questions here. Sixth question is integral e power of x into cos x dx here. So this is very important. Please listen concentration. E power of x into cos x dx, no? So what is the formula here actually? So integral u v. So this is this is u, this is v. Dx is equal to u integral v dx, no? So minus integral d by dx of u, okay, into integral v dx, okay, into dx. Now here so what we have to submit the values here, e power of x is equal to u and this is v here. Okay, now we'll do that is integral e power of x into cos x dx. Please concentration on every step, very important. Okay, now here I will take e power of x into cos dx. Okay, now this is I will evaluate using this formula. So first what you have to take e power of x into integral cos x dx minus integral d by dx of what is the u e power of x, this is bracket here, into integral cos x dx. Okay, so whole dx here. Now e power of x will remain like that only here, and cos dx is equal to what we can take, cos x is equal to sin x, sin x minus here integral d by dx of e power of x is equal to e power of x only will come here. Cos x is equal to, what is this, cos x is equal to sin x only will come here, sin x dx will come. So this is here end one thing here, but here again e power of x into sin x is there, we have to do again. So e power of x sin x will come here, okay, minus, so here e power of x into sin x we have to do again using this formula, okay. This is u and v method, like that, this is u and this is v. So it will become, okay, I will take big bracket here, okay, so it will become u, what is u here, e power of x into integral sin x dx minus integral, okay, d by dx of u means e power of x will come only mali, so into integral sin x dx again will come here into dx. So please watch every step by step, okay. So I am writing neatly step by step, please concentration on every step. E power of x into sin x minus, this is e power of x into again like that only, sin x, integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, okay, minus cos x will come here, here minus is there na, so it will become integral is there, integral d by dx of e power of x will only come like that only. Sin x is equal to come like that, what is sin x is equal to, sin x is equal to cos x minus cos x dx will come here. So if this is minus will come outside, it will become plus, so this will also plus, so e power of x into sin x, okay. So here some anything went wrong, okay, so this total is there na, so total also will there, okay, this total with the minus. So this will come as integral minus e power of x into cos x will come here, this is plus e power of x into cos x dx will come here, where here integral will be there. So now see here friends, so this minus into minus plus, so e power of sin x minus into minus plus e power of x cos x, this minus into plus minus will come here, minus integral e power of x cos x dx. So this is there na, so this is question like that only. So I will bring this question to this this left side of the equation, it will become, I will write in the other page. So what is the question actually, integral e power of x into, so e power of x into cos x dx na, so is equal to what we have got here, so e power of sin x plus e power of cos x we got, e power of x sin x plus e power of x cos x we got, minus integral e power of x into cos x dx we got here in the previous page, like this one continuation, okay. So now here, so this is, if we do so again will goes like that only na, so again step by step will come, another things add will come, okay. So I will take this one to the left side, I will bring this to the left side of the equation here. So it will become e power of x into integral e power of x into cos x dx na, so again plus integral e power of x into cos x dx will come, so this one, so is equal to, so here e power of x sin x plus e power of x cos x will remain here, so this is will become 2 into e power of x cos x dx will remain, and is equal to, this is e power of x I will come on that, it will become sin x plus cos x will remain here. So this 2 I will bring to this side, so it will become e power of x into cos x dx is equal to e power of x divided by 2 into sin x plus cos x will come here. So this is the answer of, now what one, this sixth question. This is very important, that's why I am telling you, okay. Please concentration on this cost, okay. So this will learn this question. Now moving to the seventh one here. Now seventh question is very easy. Solution here, you know that formula, integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, so what will be the answer, e power of x into f of x plus c. So same like that only, this is f dash of x, sorry, f of x is equal to sin x, so f dash of x is equal to how much, cos x will come. I am telling here only derivative, not the integral, though it will become minus cos x. So please concentration on those things. So answer is e power of x into sin x plus cos x dx is equal to, so what will be the answer? E power of x into sin x plus c. So this is the answer from this formula. Now moving to the 8th question. Now 8th question is also same formula using this solution here. So e power of x is there already. E power of x is there into, so tan x plus log of secant x into dx is there. Sorry here. This is we'll think that if this is f of x, so it will become f dash f x will come here. So how that will, I will tell you, I will explain you smoothly here. So d by dx of, okay, d by dx of log secant x I will take to, if I take to, so it will become, what will come here, 1 by, so log x is equal to 1 by x, divide x or log x, means secant x will come. So again secant x will derive to secant x tan x will come, secant x tan x. Okay, secant x will get cancelled, tan x will remain here, tan x will remain. So this is, if we f of x I will take this one though, after derivating of this log of secant x, so it will become tan x will come. So that's I am taking here, it will become e power of x into log of secant x, okay, log of secant x plus tan x, no, so tan x dx is equal to, so we can write it as e power of x into log of secant x plus c is the answer for this question here. Which one? The 8th one. So this is very important question, please also. So these are all 2 marks questions, please practice these marks, and examples also very important, and practice solve problems also very important. So this is the end of this section 1. Okay, dear guys, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you guys.